Good morning, student. Welcome to welcome all of you in the online lecture. Myself, Dr. S.N. Khade, and Full Singh Naik Mahavidyalaya, Pusat, Department of Zoology. So today we are going to learn regarding marine ecosystem, which is very interesting topic. So, which is a part of syllabus of BSc second year students. So let us start. Are you ready, guys? Yes, very good. Okay. So in the introduction of the marine ecosystem, so basically what is meant by the marine ecosystem? Marine is ecosystem nothing but the whatever biota, flora and fauna of the in the marine ecosystem, marine system, or whatever marine water is there, or sea is there, or ocean is there, or whatever it may be. Suppose to marine ecosystem including what which kind of topic including in the marine ecosystem. So the salt water of the seas and oceans that covers 70.8%, which is the we can say the marine ecosystem is there. So we are having Arabian Sea of the Indian coast, so we can say the sea, not ocean. So the Pacific Ocean, we can say the Pacific Ocean is there, and again Atlantic Ocean is there, again the Indian Ocean, not Indian Ocean, Indian Sea, and its depth in average, just remember I am telling you, average 3872 meter depth is there. This is not accurate figure, because no one used to go there at the depth, at the accurate depth of the sea, and find out this is the correct figure of the depth of the Arabian Sea, or it may be whatever it may be. So next, zonation of the sea. Stratification. Ocean is divided into two major zones, likewise pelagic zone and benthic zone. Whenever you are going to study the sea, so there are two types of zones are there. One is the pelagic zone and one is the benthic zone. Pelagic zone nothing but the whatever sea portion is there till 200 meters, till 200 meters depth, we can say the pelagic zone. Again another kind of definition is there, which is where sunlight can reach easily at the bottom, nothing but the pelagic zone. Wherever sunlight are going to reach there, we can say this is the pelagic zone of the sea, or pelagic part of the sea. And what is meant by benthic zone? Nothing but the beyond the pelagic zone, where sunlight are not reaching, penetrating easily, nothing but the benthic zone. And third one is the euphotic zone. Euphotic zone nothing but the sunlight can penetrate. Wherever sunlight can penetrate there, euphotic zone, we can say this is the euphotic zone. Then again pelagic zone including the neritic zone. Near shore known the neritic zone. Near shore, the neritic zone consists of water between the low tide marks and the edge of continental shelf. This is zone range from the only a few several hundred kilometers, miles wide. See the what is meant by the continental shelf and continental slope. See, there are two words are there: continental shelf and continental slope. I am repeating: continental slope and continental shelf. Whatever it may be, the slope underwater. I am not telling regarding the coastal region. Remember, underwater, whatever suddenly going to deep, whatever edge of the sea or one part of the sea which is going to suddenly in depth, nothing but the slope, continental slope. And what is meant by the part of that topography which is going to going depthly, nothing but the continental shelf, means regarding the whatever all portion of this slope, nothing but the continental shelf. So from the continental shelf till the high tide mark, low tide marks is known as the neritic zone. And what is the unique character of the neritic zone? Which is the diversity is having reached abundantly, animals are there, abundantly animals are surviving there, isn't it? Why? I'm going to tell you afterwards. It seems significant marine ecosystem between it is the most biologically productive region in the ocean. This neritic zone is the uh, biological productive region of the ocean or sea or oblique sea. Why? Because easily there sunlight is reaching easily, everything is reaching easily, oxygen is they are getting easily, whatever it may be, low tide and high tide. If we see the low tide and high tide portion, that portion are going to expose for 6 hours, whatever it may be, for duration. That times various kinds of animal used to come there and used to fed their whatever food is available in the low tide and between the low tide and high tide marks. Thank you guys, see you.